How to redeem code in Honkai Star Rail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily redeem codes and get extra goodies in Honkai Star Rail. So first of all, launch open Honkai Star Rail game on your device and make sure that you're inside the gameplay. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the phone icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click the three dots right next to your name at the top right. In the expanded menu, click on Redemption Code. Now in the blank box appearing on the screen, go ahead and enter the redemption code carefully. Double check for any typing mistakes, and then once you are done, you can click on the confirm button at the bottom right. And that's all there is to it. That is how you can redeem your codes in Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.